What happens when you turn a simple chemistry experiment into a massive foam explosion? These guys decided to find out by attempting the world's largest elephant toothpaste experiment. And they didn't just break the record, they completely smashed it. But before creating this monster, let's understand what's actually happening. The main ingredient is hydrogen peroxide. Normally, it breaks down very slowly into water and oxygen, but add a catalyst, and that slow reaction suddenly becomes incredibly fast. And here's where the fun begins. Add soap, and all that rapidly released oxygen gets trapped inside millions of tiny bubbles, creating that giant mountain of foam we call elephant toothpaste. But making a cup of foam is easy. Filling an entire swimming pool is a completely different challenge. They spent hundreds of hours testing different combinations to figure out how to scale the reaction up without turning the entire experiment into a disaster.
But there was one problem they couldn't ignore. This reaction produces a huge amount of heat. During testing, the foam reached almost 200 degrees Fahrenheit. They had to keep everyone at a safe distance.
To make the giant version safer, they used ordinary baking yeast as the catalyst. But scaling everything up meant dealing with ridiculous amounts of ingredients. They even built emergency tarps around the pool in case the foam escaped. Finally, after more than 150 tests, everything was ready. The ingredients were mixed, the soap was added, and now there was only one thing left to do.
Set it off!
And there it is. The foam keeps rising and rising until the entire pool is basically swallowed by a gigantic mountain of toothpaste. They had successfully broken the world record. Except there was one tiny problem. They had made way too much. After pushing the foam back into the pool and letting it cool, they could finally get inside it. And the infrared footage revealed something even more interesting. The lower layers of foam were still much hotter than the surface, creating this bizarre alien-looking effect. So what started as a simple chemistry experiment turned into a swimming pool-sized foam explosion, complete with enough heat to make the reaction surprisingly dangerous. They didn't just break the world record, they absolutely buried it in foam. KeiroCraze rating, 9.5 out of 10. The chemistry is fascinating, the scale is ridiculous, and watching an entire swimming pool disappear under a mountain of foam is exactly the kind of experiment I want to see.